So hi everyone, welcome to the day 2 of learning digital art. So today we will learn how to create a symmetrical portrait of Santa in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive in. So first we will reduce the opacity of this sketch and lock the layer. Then we will create a new layer for the digital artwork. And here is the color palette we will use for this artwork. Click on the pen tool and draw one side of face. Once done, we will transform and duplicate the shape to create the other side. Use the merge tool to combine both shapes. And then draw the ear on one side. Yeah. So we will transform it for the other side. And now we will draw the hat of Santa. Yeah. Okay, so we will draw the clothes. In a symmetrical portrait, you only need to draw one side of each element, and the other side is simply a reflection. Focus on drawing one side accurately, then transform it to complete the other half. And after drawing the beard, you know what to do. Yeah, right? Transform and duplicate the shape. Now we will draw the circle and we will repeat the process. Yeah, draw, transform and duplicate. After drawing the details on one side of the face, we will select them, group them, and then transform and duplicate. So now I will remove the cheek blush and redraw it as a circle. Yeah. Next, it's time to add shadows to the illustration, which we will create one by one. also going to add highlights to the illustration, to the ear, nose, yeah, transform in and duplicate. Now we will add freckles to Santa's face to make it look more detailed. Draw circle, group them, repeat. Yeah. Okay, then we will draw reflections on the glasses. We'll reduce the opacity. Just after that, we will change the background color because the previous one looked dull. To complete the look, we will draw a circular background, the lighter tone. And yeah, that's how we created a symmetrical portrait of Santa. Easy, right? We will meet again next week with a new concept. Until then, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.